Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Chevy Bolt trunk, only ways. Press the key fob trunk button twice while standing near the rear to release the latch. If your key fob battery is low, use the physical key in the fob to unlock the hatch. Always check that the vehicle is in park and the hatch area is clear before lifting the trunk. Stay calm and follow each step carefully. For the interior release method, locate the trunk switch near the driver's seat and ensure the vehicle is in park. Firmly press or pull the release and walk to the rear to lift the hatch once you hear the latch. If the trunk resists, check for an electronic lockout or child safety feature. Always keep your hands clear of the closing edge when testing the release to prevent injury. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more practical car tips and tricks. Quick recommendation: I love to read on my new Kindle Paperwhite when waiting during car maintenance. It makes downtime useful and relaxing. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can compare options easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If electronic methods fail, fold the rear seats to gain access to the trunk from inside the cabin and reach the emergency release handle. Pull the handle to disengage the latch and lift the hatch manually, taking care with heavy cargo. If the release is damaged or the latch jams, stop and call roadside assistance to avoid causing further damage. This approach is safe and effective when done carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.